like sour milk. I have to. And you get milk crusties all in your neck. Oh, oh, you look so sad. I know, Muffin. I know you don't like it. I'm sorry. Come here, let me dry your face off so you don't get so cold. Oh, look at that frown. That pouty face. Give me your footsies. Give me your footsies. Oh, there she goes. Oh, it's okay. That's not that bad, is it? That's not that bad. Oh, let me cover you up a little. I don't want you getting too cold. And there's the Hellboy Red. Oh, I'm sorry, Muffin. I know you don't like a bath. Oh, she's crying tears. Oh. She just...
And she's calm.
Well, she expressed her disapproval thoroughly.
Yes, she did.
Do you feel better now? Oh, you got interrupted for a moment, huh? Okay. Let me dry you off real quick. Let me dry you off. See, Mama tries to keep you warm. You don't appreciate it. Look at that little mouth. It's so sad. Okay, now we gotta get the diaper changed in. And then the lotion.